Hi, today in this video we are going to show you on how to create VMware VMware Hyper-V Hypervisor inside the VMware Workstation. So what we need is a VMware Workstation Pro, and also we need a file name called VMware VM Hypervisor Installer 6.5. Okay, first thing first, we need to open up the VMware Workstation Pro. If you don't have, you need to install that, or you can search from the Google. Just click on the VMware Workstation, and it will come out. Okay, just click on this one. But at this time, I'm just only using the VMware Workstation Pro version 14. Okay, first thing first, you can see that I already installed the existing VMware SCSI, but on this video I'm trying to create a new one. First thing first, okay, click on the file and click the new virtual machine. Okay, once you click that, there's two options that will require you to choose. You just proceed with the typical recommended, and after that you click next. Okay, after that, okay, it requires you whether you want to use the installer disk, installer disk image file ISO, and the last one is user just install the operating system later. But at this time I'm trying to install using the installer disk image file, which is the type is ISO file. If you don't have, you need to click browse and search for the VMware Hypervisor installer, which is this one. Okay, as you can see, it will detect the 6.5 and later just click next. Okay, under the virtual machine name, you can just type anything that you wanted, and the location where the virtual machine are stored. Or if you don't want you want to change the location, just click browse and you can select which for the location that you want to choose. Okay, after that, and click next. Okay, at this time it will ask you what's the maximum disk size. By default it will set default as a 14.0, which is mean a 40 GB. Or if you don't want to change, just leave it. And under this you can see there's two options, which is store virtual disk as a single file and split virtual disk into multiple files. Okay, as you can see, if you choose the above one, store virtual disk as a single file, this one is you cannot move virtual machine to another computer, but it just in a static condition. Okay, as for now I'm choosing the first one because I don't want to move virtual machine to another computer. And after that you just click next. After that it will display the specification that you already installed, which is the name, location, Location is where the virtual machine are stored, the version of the workstation, the operating system that you are installed, VMware SCSI 6.5 and later, the capacity of the hard disk, memory, how much total memory that are you using, network adapter. NAT is referred to the network address translation. This means that you can use that to connect it to the internet and the other device. If you want to change the specification, you just choose this customer hardware, and from here you can edit anything that you wanted. You can edit the memory, processor, new CD, DVD, IDE. This one is referred to the ISO file, a network adapter, USB controller, display. By default, I'm just leave it without changing anything, and after that I'm click finish. Okay, this one is the hypervisor VMware that I'm just installed. Okay, if you want to rename, just click on it and choose the rename. Okay, I'm just do some amendment, which is I'm using 8 GB to speed up the process, and I'm using the 2-core processor. And after that, I just click OK. Okay, after once you finish configuration, you can click power on this virtual machine, and after that it will appear. Just wait for the installation to come out. You just leave it without touching anything. Just leave it until the progress completed, and as you can see, it will load up the progress. You just leave it and wait. Take a few minutes. It might take longer than you expected. It depends on the configuration that you had just configured. Okay, once you're done, it will ask you select the operation to perform, which is you can click cancel, or you just proceed by click enter. just read the agreement. Once you're done, click F11, accept and continue. Okay, it will show you the storage device, which storage device that you're using. Okay, right now I'm using the capacity, which is 40 GB, which I'm using the local hard disk. Okay, just click continue to proceed. Okay, as you can see, this right now this is a keyboard layout. Just click continue. Okay, after that it will ask you to insert the password for the root. Just insert the password. Okay, once the password are matched, it will show same as in the screen. And after that, you just click enter. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, after that it will ask you it shows the confirm install. Just click the F11 to install. Write the progress until complete, and it will ask to reboot, and after reboot it will ask you to configure the management network. It might take around 5 minutes to complete. Just wait. Okay, by default the network adapter that I'm using is refer to the to this one. Okay, let's say if you just install Vmware Workstation, it will just automatically install the network adapter for this VMware. As you can see, I have two network adapter, but on this case just wait first. Okay, now it's moving. Okay, once it's done, it shows the installation are already complete and been installed successfully. Okay, it will ask you to remove the installation media before rebooting, and the last one, remote the server to start using SCSI 6.50. On this option, you don't have any option, just click enter to reboot. Okay, the server will shut down and reboot. Okay, just wait for a few minutes. Okay, once it restarted, it will boot up and load up the files that are needed. Just wait for the progress. Okay, once it's done, it will shows you the spec, which is a VMware SCSI 6.50 VM kernel release build 4564106, and it shows you the 2 core times what type of processor that you have, and how much RAM that you using for this VMware Hypervisor. Okay, under this one, it will show you the list of IP, which is right now you are using the DHCP, but default you don't want to use the DHCP because it will change the IP. Okay, in order to change to the static IP, okay, just click on the F2. Okay, we ask you to use the login name. By default, it will ask you the root is the default for the login name. And after that, you just insert the password for the root and just click enter. Okay, and after that you can see there's a configure password. If you want to change the password, configure lockdown modes already been disabled, and configure management network, restart management network, test management network, okay, and so on. Okay, we just choose the configure management network. Okay, as you can see, by default it will show the IP version 4 address 192.168.234.128. okay, by default, if you don't know what type of IP that you want to choose for the static IP, okay, I will show you how to choose the static IP for this one. Okay, on the start button, type the CMD, just refer to the command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, just click yes. Okay, in order for to do that, type ipconfig /all. Okay, just scroll up. Okay, okay, in this case you are using the VMware Network Adapter VMnet 8. Okay. 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 After you check what type of IP that you are using, okay, just select the IPv4 configuration and then click enter. This is 3 options: disable IP4 configuration for the management network. If you choose this, you won't be able to access the VMware console. So you only have 2 options. Just use dynamic IPv4, the address and network configuration. This means you are using the DHCP, and on the bottom, set static IPv4 address and network configuration. This is the one that we want to choose. And just select this option by click the backspace. Just scroll down. Okay. Okay, you can see the IPv4. Okay. If you already confirm that, just click OK. Once that have been configured, click the escape. Okay, and after that, once you are done, it will show apply changes and restart management network. Okay, just click yes. Okay, if you want to be sure that you're able to access the console, you just run the command pin and pin that command 234.128. As you can see, it will respond, shows that you are able to access the console. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, just click advanced, proceed to 192.168.234.128. okay, it will brings you to the console where you need to choose a username as the root, password, and click login. Okay, here you can see this is the interface, the VMware Hypervisor. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.